Sajek too. It's 6 a.m. early in the morning. I just woke up. It's just me and my best friend. Other two are still sleeping.
Yay!
So, come with me.
Damn. Look at that place. Eh? Look at that place.
It's supposed to be more foggy in the morning, but I guess
Yeah.
we are unlucky.
Look at the moon though. Look at the moon.
Mountain.
Looks so beautiful, huh? And if we go through
Yeah.
what Galib is looking at, you can see the mountains, right? The hills, actually. Like there's a bit of a fog in there, not that much, but still.
The most beautiful part is actually when you just sit here and look at the view, and it's so much refreshing, especially the sound of the birds, chickens, cuckoo, and just look
Yes.
at the
Amazing, eh?
mountains.
Yes, exactly.
We are now at the mosque. First, look at the view. Come closer, man. Look at the mountains. Fog, big weather. Come now. That's the mosque I was talking about. So I guess it's the only mosque out there. Lushai cultural dance. Oh, so that's dance called Kualam or Lam. Chailam, Tranglam, Siktui Tiang Lam, Chayalam, Chirao Bell. Oh, that's the one bamboo dance. Bamboo dance. That's Sarlam Kai. I'm sorry if I pronounced anything wrong. It's quite hard for me. I'm not familiar with now. I think that's a game name called Sukna. Maybe, yeah. That's the game in Sukna or something. Most respected person in the Lushai community. So his title was Tang Chua. Oh, most prestigious. I think it's a picture of hunting animals, head, something. Show them. Come. So I think there's a traditional way of how they used to cook. Come inside, man. Maybe that's a bed. There is another bed. I think it's maybe shelf. I don't know. Balcony.
One of the worst
Scam dear.
experience in here.
Cost everything is more costly. I don't think it's reasonable to take more. Yes, it's not a more tourist spot.
If we take notes, they gave a bhorta, I guess, right? Two aloo bhorta and one sort of shim bhorta or something. 120 taka. But you can literally find them for like 15 to 20 takas in Sylhet.
Yeah. Not in Sylhet, also many other places.
Yeah, exactly. Then what? The food quality is
Even the
really
chicken.
that good.
Even the
Quality
chicken.
isn't really that
It was not cooked or
properly. How would you rate it, man?
I think I'll give him 2. Just these foods fill up my stomach. Yeah.
Same 2 out of 10. Not more than that.
I'll eat this on a, you need to survive. As we are not familiar with the
Exactly.
So,
Out of all the things that we experienced in the last couple of days, one of the worst experience, not one of the worst experience
I think if you visit any new places, it's better if
Highly not recommended that you
if
come.
you have any family member or friends from that places, please take that guide so that you know you will not get scammed. And also, please avoid
What do you call the place? FNF?
FNF restaurant. So this bridge is called Julanto Bridge. You can say hanging bridge. It's quite famous. Let's go.
Fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight. We will.
You guys may be wondering what we two are fighting for. Actually, we were fighting for bed. There were only two bed. One is single bed, one is double. But we have to share the double one with three people. But none of us wanna sleep in the middle. So that's what me and my friend were fighting for. At last, I won, and I got the left side.
It's 6:30 in the morning. We are in Chittagong. Going for breakfast. We leave Chittagong in an hour. Our last few minutes. You know what time it is? It's time to say goodbye. We are just few miles away from our home. It was a wonderful trip. Did you enjoy it? That's quite memorable. For the first time we went somewhere out of our town without friends for 3 days. We got to learn about a new city. We get to learn about a new place, new things, their culture, especially tribal people. Yes, I have never seen many ethnic groups living together at the same place in my life. We only interact, I guess, before only one Chakma friend. This is also quite long time ago, like in 2013 or 14 we had a friend. That's the only thing we knew about him. I we learned like two lines, but in these 3 days we learned many more things about the history, culture, clothes, food, etc.
2,000 years later.
I'm gonna say love is a small word. Spread love, avoid negativity. Show love to everyone. We all can live together no matter what religion and caste you belong to. Last but not least, the tour was not about the view, not about the food, not about the scenery. It's about the people I was surrounded with. That's what matters the most. And I was surrounded by a bunch of good people. That's why this trip was quite just made the trip more exciting. If you want to watch more vlogs and videos, if you especially like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Peace out.